Okay, so I had to I had to go back and have a look at a previous version of this that I created. So what we want in here, we've got that box, and we want get scaled box extent. So if I just drag that off, I'll just show you. If we've got extent. So there is get box extent. Now you don't want that one because you want to allow the box to be scaled. So you want, sorry, yeah, box to be scaled. So get scale box extent is the one you want. Yeah, you don't want get box extent. Get scale box extent. And we also want get the position. So then we have random point in bounding box. So we can get the center of the bounding box, which is actually, if we have a look here, the center of the bounding box is actually the center, the location. So we just get the location, and then we get extents. So, and that will give us what we're looking for. Why is the viewport over there? Hello. So that one goes into there, and should just be location. Get world location. Oh, thanks for that. Pop that one in there, and then we need a transformation. We need a transformation. So okay, what are we going to do for that one? Basically, that is we've got the location here. So let's just make a transform. Make transform. The location is going to be this one. The rotation is going to be 0, 0, 0. The scale is going to be 1, 1, 1. I think that's pretty much what we want. So we can just pop that into there. Move that back there. Move that back there. Now, I think we're not going to just call this from begin play. Let's just grab all of this, pop it down here, and create custom event. And let's say spawn my actors, and I think we're going to just do a what do you want to do here? Do you want a for loop for each loop? Oh no, this is for an array. I'm thinking of a different language. Do a while loop? Okay, that'll work. It may not be the best thing to do here, but we're just gonna go straight into there. And I will add an input here, which is going to be I don't know, number of actors, and we can just make that an integer. That should be fine. Cool. And we'll just do, actually we just put a condition here. So oh no, sorry, what am I saying? What am I saying? Hang on. Less than. Less than. Less than or equal to, I think. have to do some sort of count. Okay. Whoops. Turn that into a variable. Call it count. Count equals 0 initially, fine. And we actually want, that's going to be, we want that to be true if A is less than or equal to B. We want that the opposite way around, or in fact, it's probably easier to greater than, like so. So while that's, so while count, hang on, so while A, oh goodness me, while A is greater than B, yeah, there we go. And then we want, grab this one, set, we can do a plus plus, let me just, can we just grab this one? Increment, there we go. So if you're new to C-type languages, that just increments that number by 1. That's fine, so we go into there. And then when it's completed, I'm just going to do a print just for basically debugging. And I'm just going to go grab the name of that, copy and C, pop it into there, and finished. Like so. There we go. So this is, we're getting kind of to some more traditional kind of programming stuff with variables and counts, and there might have been a way to do this with a for loop, which would have been a little bit easier, but anyway, the while loop will work as well. So while this number is greater than count, and we're updating count each time, it's going to loop through and it's going to spawn an actor at a random point within our box. Hopefully. Let's see if that works. Oh, hang on, beforehand, yeah, we haven't called it yet. So let's just call spawn my actors. Okay, I'm just going to call that on begin play. And that should work. So compile, save. Let's, oh, we need to place it in there first. Let's go to a content draw, spawn a 2. Drag this in, and okay, so what I'll do is I'll just move the player start, and there's one thing that I haven't done which I really do need to do, and we can actually test this a little bit easier. In fact, I just thought probably something we should do. So we can do it on begin play. For this sort of thing, it might actually be better to do it on construction. So let's grab that. Control X. I'm going to grab that one. And I'm going to pop it here. Could break everything. Compile, save. And yeah, we haven't given it a number. So number of actors, 5. Did that work? Compile. Oh, I don't think that actually worked. Why did you not work? Well, that's a very good question. Let's, maybe there's something. Oops, just need to do that. Let's just try it from here again. Number of actors, 5. Maybe we need all that code in the construction script, or in it. Yeah, that might, maybe something like that. Anyway, let's have a look. So let's run it, and wow, there we go. Have we got 5? We seem to have 4. Might need to greater than or equal to. So it worked. Perhaps not exactly as we wanted it to. You can see that we've got our pickup sort of hanging in the air. Not quite what we want. So what do you think might be a solution? So we've kind of seen how to do this before. First thing, let's let us change this. This should be greater than or equal to. So let's just delete that. Greater than or equal to. Yeah, there we go. That one should give us 5, like so. Save. Now if we hit play, that's kind of interesting. It's giving it to us on one plane. Why is that? And it's still only giving us, appears to be giving us 4. Just seeing if there's 2 in the one place. It doesn't seem to be. So what's happening there? That is a little strange. Oh, you can. Okay. Look at what. Oh, no. That's still actually. What are we doing? There's something not right here. Get world location. Getting a random point in the bounding box. Scale box extent. So these are the extents here. Scaled 1, 10, 10. It almost looks like it's flipped it on its side. Rotation. What is going on? We've got our spawned actor. That's a bit weird, isn't it? Why is that just going in those areas? This is a very good question. Something's not quite right. So I'm just thinking location. That's all good. Yeah, location. So what we want to do is, in fact, make it at the Z-axis. So that, let's just come into here. If we remember, Z is up and down. Z is height. So if we grab the value of the Z-axis of the actual blueprint itself, we can make sure that they all sit on the ground. So that's something we can do. And I'm not quite sure why that is doing what it's doing. So probably the first thing we should do, in fact, is just do a print. Let's move this. And let's just do print. So I'm just wondering what values we're getting from here. It's kind of weird. Excellent, there we go. So, oh, hang on. That's gonna be, let's just move that. And actually, in here we have some printing going on. So let's, hang on. Let's show array content. Let's just break this so that doesn't come up. And let's make that 10. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. X is Y. Okay, so that's... Alright, so we can look at that again in here. We have, so X value, Y value. I mean, it seems okay. We just want to make that Z value the same. But it's just going, so we're getting things. And now we're only getting 3. What the hell? Hang on. Didn't we have... No, we actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's because we're starting at 0, isn't it? So it looks like we're actually spawning some elsewhere for some reason. Now I'm guessing something is going on with our get scaled box extent. So we're going to be doing a little bit of troubleshooting here. So let's grab that now. I'll leave that at the moment. I'm not going to fix that yet, but I just want to do a print. And get this value. And again, we'll make it 10. And we will also, just so that I know what this is, let's just append, break that, put that in the next one. And that is scaled box extent colon space, and let's pop that in there. So half size. Okay. I just thought of something. Interesting. I'm wondering whether this is creating a box. Okay. So we've got the center and we have half size. So maybe this only creates an equal sized box, maybe? Anyway, let's run it and see what we get, because these are some unusual results. So box extent 32, 320, 320. That's actually correct. I'm guessing something is being reversed there, because that's definitely higher than what we've got. One thing we need to do, I just realized as well, so it should be half the height. So we've got 32, 320, 320, sorry, half the size. So that's probably one of the reasons we're getting things too large. So we actually need to divide that by 2. So let's do that first up. So come here and box, get scale box into, so it needs to be half size. Let's just divide. Oh no, look, hang on, we should be able to just do a divide by, I should do a multiply. Basically the same thing. Okay, that's a new thing. Convert pin to a float. There we go. and we're at 0.5. So that's going to be half now. And let's actually pop that in there as well. So we're actually seeing the values that are going into here. And that should make a difference. So let's compile, save. And, okay, that's actually better, but for some reason, what we seem to be getting, it seems that it's swapping the Z. So we're getting the height, which should be the Z. X, Y, Z. And what are we getting here? Okay. So, hang on, these are the extents. X is 2000. What? Y and Z. Oh. Okay, that's... Yeah, I think this is the problem. These look correct. 2000. X is 2000. That's... Oh, that's the location. Sorry, that's where we're spawning it. No, sorry, my bad, my bad. That's probably correct. Something is going wrong. Something is going wrong here. Let me just pause. I'll go through and I'll work out what the problem is. I've shown you some troubleshooting here. Something's going wrong, and I'll find out what it is and explain it later.